This is question number 3 of exercise 11.1. 5m is equal to 60. So here one by one we will put all the values 10, 5, 12, 15 one by one. First of all we will write 5m. Then first of all we will put m is equal to 10. Then 5 into 10 it is 50. Then you can see it is not is equal to 60. Then again 5m. Here we are required to put m is equal to 5. So 5 5s are 25. Again you can see it is also not equal. So no. Then 5m. Then 5 into 12. Then 12 5s are it is 60. Then here you can see it is equal. So the solution of this question is m is equal to 12, and last one we will also put 5m. Then m is equal to 15 here we will put, and 15 5s are 75, which is not is equal to 60, so it is also no. Now this is question number 3, B part. N plus 12 is equal to 20. Put numbers one by one. N plus 12. Then here first of all n value is 12. Then 12 plus 12 you can see 24. It is not is equal to 20. So it is no. Then n plus 12. Then first of all we will put value 8 here. Then 8 plus 12 it is 20. It is equal to 20, so it is yes. Means the solution for the value of n is 8. Then third we will put n is equal to 20. So 20 plus 12 it is 32. Then it is also no. And then n plus 12, in place of n we will put 0. Then 0 plus 12, then it is equal to 12. Then again it is no. So here you can see the solution for this is this. N is equal to 8. For the value of n is equal to 8, this equation satisfied. This is question number 3, C part. First of all put p minus 5. Value of p is 0. Then 0 minus 5 it is minus 5. But we are required to find out 5, so it is no. Then again p minus 5. Now we will put value 10. Then 10 minus 5 it is 5. Here you can see now the condition is satisfied, the equation is satisfied. So answer for this is 10. Now we will put third value 5. Then 5 minus 5 you can see 0. Then it is also no. And p minus 5 again, then minus 5 and minus 5, minus plus, then it is minus 10, and again this condition is not satisfied. So in this way you are required to do this, and the answer for this is p is equal to 10. Now this is third D part. Q upon 2 is equal to 7. So first of all q upon 2 we will put, or in place of q we are required to write 7. Then 7 upon 2 it is 3.5. So we will write no. After this we will put value q is equal to 2. Then 2 upon 2 it is 1. It is also no because we are required to find out 7 there. Then q upon 2, now the value is 10. Now 10 upon 2 it is 5. Again you can see it is also no. Now last value q upon 2, 14 upon 2. Then we will put it is 7. So here you can see 7 is the correct value. We will write yes. So in this way you are required to do this, and the correct value for this is 14. Now this is third E part. Here you are required to put one by one. First of all 4, then minus 4, then 8, then 0. Then r minus 4. In place of r we will put 4. Then 4 minus 4 it is 0. Then again r minus 4. Then it is minus 4 minus 4. Then it is minus 8. Then again r minus 4. Then it is 8 minus 4. Then it is 4. And here you can see 0. In the first condition it is yes. Second no. Third also no. Now we will put r is equal to 0. Then 0 minus 4 it is minus 4. Then it is also no. So in this way you are required to do this. Now this is third F part. X plus 4 is equal to 2. First of all, write x plus 4. Here x is equal to minus 2 we will put. Then here you can see minus plus minus, 4 minus 2, it is 2. Then in the first one the condition is satisfied. Here it is 2 and here it is also 2. Then the correct value of x is minus 2, but we will put left all. Then x, in place of x 0, then it is 4, then it is no. Then in place of x we will put 2, then 2 plus 4 it is 6, it is no. And after this x plus 4, again in place of x we will put 4, then 4 plus 4 it is 8, then it is also no. This is question 4th A. Complete the table by inspection of the table from the solution to the equation m plus 10 is equal to 16. If we put the values of m, then what is the value of 16? What is the value of the equation? Then m is equal to 1. If m is equal to 1, then what is the value of m plus 10? Then 1 plus 10 it is 11. Then if m is equal to 2, then 2 plus 10 it is 12. Then m is equal to 3, then 3 plus 10 it is 13. Then m is equal to 4, then m plus 10 it is 14. Then m is equal to 5, then m plus 10 it is 15. Then 6 plus 10 it is 16. Then 7 plus 10 it is 17. Then 8 plus 10 it is 18. Then 9 plus 10 it is 19. And 10 plus 10 it is 20. So here the value of m will be 16 for this. Now it's B part. mt is equal to 35. Then what is the value of t? So 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. And 5 11s are 55. Now what is the value of t here? In place, when we put 7, then we get 35. So value of t here is 7. Now this is C part. Here you are required to find z upon 3. If 11 upon 3, then it is 3 whole 2 upon 3. Then 12, then it is 4. Then 4 whole 1 upon 3. Then 4 whole 2 upon 3. Then it is 5, then 5 whole 1 upon 3. So answer of the solution is 4 we got after putting z is equal to 12. Now m minus 7 is equal to 3. This we are required to find. Then 5 minus 7 it is minus 2. Then 6 minus 7 it is minus 1. Then 7 minus 7 it is 0. Then 8 minus 7 1. 9 minus 7 2, 10 minus 7 3, 11 minus 7 4, 12 minus 7 it is 5. So we got m minus 7 is equal to 3 after putting m is equal to 10. Now this is question number 5. Solve the following riddles. You may yourself construct such riddles. Go round a square counting every corner thrice and no more. Add the count to me to get exactly 34. So here we can write corners in a square 4, and when we go thrice, then it is 3 4s are 12. Now if we add any number to 12, then 12 plus x, it is 34. Then is called x is equal to 34 minus 12. Then x is equal to 22. So the number added is 22. Now this is second part. For each day of the week, make an up count from me. If you make no mistake, you will get 23. Now if we start from x, then there are 7 days. Then x plus 7 is equal to 23. Then plus 7 will be there, then it is minus 7. Then x is equal to 16. This is question number 3. I am a special number. take away from me a 6, a whole cricket team, you will still be able to fix. Now here we will take, the number is x minus 6, then it is 11. Now we will take this minus 6 to the 11, then it will become plus 6. Then 11 plus 6, it is 17. Now this is fourth part. Tell me who I am. I shall give you a pretty clue. You will get me back if you take me out of 22. Then here we will write 22 minus x is equal to x. Then this minus x we will send on the right side. Then x plus x, 2x equal 22. Now x is equal to 22 upon 2. Then it is 11. The answer is 11.